Hello everyone, I am Dr. Eric Morrison. This is 7 Under 3, and I'll be covering trading education, more specifically Forex swing trading, using the TC2000 platform. Hello, this is the Forex Weekend Review for the week of the 30th of July at 1600 or 4 p.m. Central Time. I'm going to start off the Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. Alright, and what we have here is no trade. No trade, had an initial trade here with a loss, and then a nice 1-2-3 punch out. Aussie dollar, Swiss franc, no trade here, and then we had a nice 1-2-3 punch out. Aussie dollar, Japanese yen, kind of all over the place here. Start off on Sunday with this candle, no trade here because of a red candle. Initial trade here, out for a loss. This is a green candle here, no trade, and end of the week down for Aussie dollar, Japanese yen. Could be a potential collapsing dragon here. Winter, spring, back to winter. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. This trade was initial trade here with a loss, then a 1-2, and then a loss, and then no trade the rest of the week. Aussie dollar, US dollar. Sunday, no trade. Initial trade here with a loss. Another trade here with up against the RL90. Looks like a hammer up there, so I was out at the low here on this daily candle. Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. We had initial indicated here, trade here with the loss, and no further trade the rest of the week. If you did do this for a low risk entry, you would have been out at this this potential high. Yep, 934 would have been out at this for a low risk entry trade. Monday, initial trade here with a loss, no further trade the rest of the week. Swiss franc, Japanese yen, initial trade here with a loss, and then a nice 1-2 out, and it continued to go up, but we used the RL90 as our stop. One indicator away down here at the Z1. Euro Aussie dollar, no trade here. Heikinashi was not in agreement with this. Then a nice 1-2-3 punch out. Euro Canadian dollar, no trade here above the RL10. Initial trade here with a major loss here, and then just a absolute reversal here at this point. Still looks like it's trying to do emerging dragon coming up against the 200. We'll see if it goes and hits that. But this goes back from summer to fall back to summer, then we're in for a nice emerging dragon. Price has to go up above the dragon for that to happen. Euro British pound, nice 1-2-3 punch out, and no further trade the rest of the week. Euro Japanese yen, pretty choppy here up against the 200, and again looks like it's trying to do a collapsing dragon, but it's finding support here at the 200. So this is a big wiki area where it's consolidating. Initial loss here, initial trade here, did not hit the 200 for a loss, and no further trade the rest of the week. Euro New Zealand dollar, initial trade here if you wanted to hit the 200, but it's above the 200. That's kind of a risky trade. Comes back, goes in the other direction. Then we have a 1-2 and then a loss here on Thursday. Euro US dollar, beautiful 1-2-3 punch out. And if you used Sunday as your initial candle, you'll be out here. If you Monday, you'll be out at the RL90 here too as well. So nice 1-2-3 punch out. British pound Aussie dollar, beautiful 1-2-3, and then no further trade the rest of the week. British pound Canadian dollar, another beauty here. No trade here, but initial trade here for a nice 1-2-3 punch out, and then no trade here because Heikinashi is above the RL10. British pound Swiss franc, initial trade here, another trade here, out for a loss here on this lot. If you use the RL90 in this case though, it'd be a 1-2 out. You wouldn't have traded this. This is a nice 1-2-3 going the other direction. Close out the week. So two profitable trades if you went there and used the RL90 as your target. British pound Japanese yen, initial trade here for a loss. Initial trade here for another loss here for British pound Japanese yen. British pound New Zealand dollar, beautiful 1-2-3. Goes up, hits the Heikinashi Z3 for a nice gain. British pound US dollar, beautiful trade. 1-2-3 punch out. Zealand dollar, initial trade here for a loss. Initial trade here for a loss too as well. Target was the RL90. Zealand Swiss franc, no trade here. Heikinashi is not in agreement. Initial trade, out for break even on this trade. Zealand Japanese yen, initial trade here on Monday, out for a loss. Come in the other direction, out for a small loss here. No further trade the rest of the week. Zealand US dollar, initial trade here, out for a loss. No trade, beautiful hammer here. Look at that. And if it's below 5 candlesticks, anything above probably goes in the other direction. Anything below goes in the same direction. So in this case, if you wanted to take this as a nice hammer with 5 candlesticks, below 5 candlesticks in this direction, that would have been a good thing. But what we're looking here is another potential collapsing dragon, but we got this nice W formation happening that could potentially go up to the 200 again. US Canadian dollar, initial trade here, out for a loss. Initial trade here, out for a 1-2 out. So no further trade the rest of the week. US dollar Swiss franc, beautiful trade for a nice 1-2-3 punch out, and it just continues to go down at that point. US dollar Japanese yen, that was Friday. Sunday no trade, 1-2-3, and it was a great 1-2-3. So now if you had your stop here out there, you would have been out for a loss, but going here and out midway, you probably would have been out for a break even. But this potential up there, you want to go ahead and protect at least half your profit if you're going in for another lot size, at least one indicator away. So here would have been a good one, and you would have been out for a loss for this one on this 1-2-3. Silver, US dollars kind of stagnant right now, wanting to come back up and test the RL90 and the 200 and the RL270. Now looks like it was a collapsing dragon, collapsed again for silver, collapsed here, winter, spring, and then winter again. Just get that in the picture here. Winter, spring, and then winter again. So it's another collapse. We got our first L formation, second, and we'll probably have a quick third. This probably was the quick third. And it's going to come back probably and test the 200. Golden is a little stronger, right? And we could have an emerging dragon here. So we got summer, fall, and we go back to summer. We do have a tight super pinch here happening, and that means gold is going to go to one direction or the other. We don't know which direction, but it's going to pop, and when it does, it'd be good to see what direction it is. But if this goes back to summer, the bias will probably go to the upside. Well, folks, that's all I have for the Forex Week in Review. We're currently conducting a Forex Bootcamp and a Forex Intermediate course. If you're interested, click on the link below. And remember, ruthless risk management. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you on Sunday. Happy trading. Well, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button below and the subscribe button. And if you want more information on TC2000, I have an affiliate link below. If you open up a TC2000 account, you will receive a $25 discount using that link. Thank you for your time.